Hi everybody, it's Jessie again. Hope you're enjoying my videos. I'm having a good time making them for you, so feel free to suggest new topic ideas or anything you want me to talk about or address or questions you might have. Send me a Facebook message or shoot me an email, jessie@jessiekaten.com. So today I wanted to talk about the value of intrinsic rewards. In other words, doing the things that we do because we enjoy them for their own sake and not because we're hoping for some other result. So as a dance teacher, I encounter this all the time when people tell me they want to sign up for dance, they want to take dance lessons. They usually explain that there's a reason that they wanted to, that there's something that they're hoping to gain. So usually it's, oh, I want to dance because I want to lose weight, or I want to dance because I want to improve flexibility or coordination, or they want to sign their child up for dance because they're hoping that they'll learn how to take direction, or they'll improve their self-confidence or something like that. Sounds reasonable, right? But those reasons are all kind of foreign to me and to a lot of other people in the dance world, because we didn't choose to start dancing because we were hoping to achieve something else. We all started dancing because we love dance. And the reason that we're so committed to this profession, this art form, is because we love doing it for its own sake. There's an intrinsic reward there. So an intrinsic reward is the positive reward you get from doing something for its own sake, because it's joyful to you and because you enjoy doing it, which is a really good reason to do something. And one of the reasons that that's such a good reason to do something is because that's what enables you, this idea of intrinsic reward, to commit to something long-term and see it through. So if you make a commitment to do something, let's say you're going to start running every day, as I recently did, but you hate it, it's a chore to do, you're not going to stick with it. And that goes with everything else, right? So I had to learn this lesson in order to stay focused on the things that I wanted to do. You know, whether I'm grading for my college students, or whether I'm writing articles for publication, or whether I'm going running every day or learning a new language, I realized I was successful when I loved doing it anyway. That there wasn't necessarily another reward at the end, that I just liked spending my time. I liked the experience of doing that, whatever it is. So if you can find a way to look forward to those things that you're committing to, where you enjoy the experience of doing it anyway, then it's not a chore anymore. It's a joy to do. It's something you love to do. Hopefully something that you love to do more than, say, sitting on the couch and watching TV. So I encourage you to find something that you enjoy, or find, if you're going to commit to something for some result, find the intrinsic rewards that it gives you. So if you're trying to develop positive or healthy habits, do it for the intrinsic value. Do it because you enjoy it. It's astonishing, truthfully, what we can do when we commit to things because we love doing them. Thanks for watching.